Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to use Canva to create your posters if you decide to use this. It's really fun and really easy. It's a good way to get creative and use technology, and you can use these for a lot of different things too. So you'll be able to use this in other classes. It's not just for here. So let's just create a poster. So there's a lot of pictures over here and photos, and you can look up different things. You can pick different pictures, and these are all free photos, so you don't really need to worry about citing where you got them from because these are all free to use. So let's look up pictures of smoke. So there's lots of different pictures of smoke. Let's use this one. So you can make it fit, actually, let's see. You can make it fit on your poster wherever you want. So let's take it to there. And then let's come over here and add an element. So you can add different little stickers to it. Again, you can look up anything you want to look up. You can add shapes. You can add moving stickers, charts. There's all different kind of things you can use. So let's do a shape here. Let's do this one. And I'm going to bring this down to kind of fill in this space under here. And then I'm going to change the background color of this so it stands out a little bit more. And let's put in a text. So you can come over here to text. You can pick different font combinations that you want to use. You can pick whether or not you want it to be a heading, a set of heading. Let's use this valence one. I'm going to change the color so that you can see it. Let's make this say smoking causes cancer. Let's come back over here to the elements. See if there's anything else we want to add. You can also add different photos. Ooh, this one's cool. So something like this would be really cool because you can overlay it. Where you can see it, but it's not actually the most visible thing. So this would be kind of cool. To add on there. And you can make it darker or lighter. This over here will make it lighter. It's the transparency, so it'll show you how dark it'll go, how light it'll go. So let's put it about like that. And I'm going to add this all the way to the top so it doesn't look funny. And there you go. You can put something over here if you want. Let's add a little element. Let's see if having a hard time typing. Let's add one of these down here in this little corner. I'm going to make it smaller so it fits. There we go. So you can make this, let's make this a little lighter so it's not as bold. So this is a really great way to do your project. It doesn't cost any money. You can do it for free. You can change some of the colors on here. There we go. There you go. Then you can type up your artist statement and submit it with this. So when you're ready to save this, you can click download. You can decide how you want to save it. I'm going to save it as a PDF. And then I'm going to download it. And then once I download it, it'll save to my files. And I'll be able to show it to you guys. So if you do it this way, you'll be able to bring it up on the computer in class and show us what you've created. So that is how you use Canva. So go on there, mess around, try different things. There's all different templates that you can try. This says you can print it, but I'm not requiring you to print it. Just save it so that you can show us what you did.